top side of the outside loop. The aircraft composed of a wood wing, fabric, tail, composites throughout, weighing in about 1,250 pounds. Aircraft capable of plus or minus 20 times the force of gravity. John Snap rolled the aircraft, actually a series of high-speed stalls. The aircraft has an amazing roll rate of over 420 degrees per second. Major Platt in the Air Guard Staudacher S-300D diving down right off the deck. Pulls up ever so slightly into the 8-point hesitation roll, demonstrating some precision flight. And 420 degrees around and around he goes. John Platt getting his start in aviation at the age of 17, earning his private pilot's license in Lakeville, Minnesota, where he lives with his wife Debbie, daughter Leah, and son Danny. Then attending the University of Minnesota in Duluth. 4 years.
At a young age, Dad brought him to an air show just like this one, where he saw an airplane flying upside down, and he knew that he just had to do that. And he's been flying now since the age of 17, and he's accumulated over 9,500 hours of flight time and over 158 different kinds of airplanes. He's flown everything from the Piper Cub up to regional transport jet aircraft. The aircraft, just like he's flying here today, he's extremely high performance.
He's going to do a full flyby by the tower. Yeah, and boss feels comfortable. Yeah, probably not.
The Piper Arrows and the Bonanzas. This, I don't think you should eat a hot dog before you get in these.
Bananas.
Bananas, okay.
The same coming up as they do going down.
So I guess they're going to go...
Back up in that part of the country, the Great Rust Belt, as we call it there, those people are very envious of us down in the south now.
Of course.
Because not only do we have great weather, one of the things about doing the air shows in the northern tier, you only have about 2 weeks of summer to do that.
Can you see like a dancer?
Stand by for a little bit of noise. Eagle Talent. Flying directly in. And wing is Mr. Buck Buckland. Buck specializes in systems and structural fabrication and maintenance to keep the airplanes in the air. Buck's extensive knowledge and background in auto racing assists the team's ability to fly faster and more efficiently. He holds nearly every FAA rating, including the ATP, that's the Airline Transport Rating, certified flight instructor, the airplane power plant mechanic, and he is also an ace with the National Council of Air Shows. He hails from Minnesota and currently resides in Sharpsburg, Florida. Now our two pilots